1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, isn't it like 12 bolts? Something like that. How many turkeys make a poult?
No idea.
I just told you, it's like 12.
Something like that.
Is that even such a thing?
No. It's
Okay.
not.
How many turkeys make a poult?
Like 12.
Something like
It's
12.
12, like something. Turkeys are like, you guys are interrupting our feed. So what would it be? Is it a gaggle of turkeys? Is it a turkey poult?
Poults are the babies.
Oh, what do you call a dozen turkeys? Delicious?
Ooh, look at that.
So I guess we figured out that it's called a flock of turkeys.
Yeah, there you go.
A flock.
A gaggle.
A gaggle. It's not a gaggle. It's not a poult. There's some hatchery ponds. Actually, the technical term is a rafter of turkeys. Look it up. That right there is a rafter of turkeys.
One heck of a rafter.
That is one heck of a rafter right there. Fun fact about turkeys.
Can't.
Give me one fun fact about turkeys.
Turkey feathers
turkey.
are flame retardant, so you can't burn a turkey.
Yeah, no, that's everybody knows that. Give me something that not everybody knows.
That's all I got.
So we've actually figured out that a turkey poult is not a flock of turkeys. It's not a rafter of turkeys. A turkey poult
Get in.
is a...
It's just a young turkey.
Yeah.
So you get a rafter of poults out there. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, I like the spit. That was a nice touch. Nice.
Habit.